The latest addition to the Storm hotline is the Monsoon. Since it's in the hotline, the price point is lower than high-performance balls like their tournament series. While they are not priced like the high-performance balls, it doesn't mean they aren't useful on tournament patterns. Case in point, Francois Lavoie breaking the PBA scoring record this year, throwing the Monsoon and averaging over 280 for a 6-game block. The Monsoon is a solid version of the Typhoon. It features the same symmetrical Atmos AI core as the Typhoon. The RG is on the higher side at 2.53, and the diff is fairly low at 0.042, so it won't flare a lot. That Atmos AI core is wrapped around the reactor solid cover stock, so it should read the lane a little earlier than the Typhoon, but still won't hook a lot. It's essentially a medium ball, as seen on the Storm graph here. I could see the Monsoon as a natural progression from the IQ78 urethane to Concept and then to Monsoon. I drilled mine 4 3/4 by 3.5 by 1.5, hoping it would float a little bit to the front, then make a nice rounded smooth shape. For this review, I will throw the Monsoon at San Jose State's Student Union, which are Brunswick Anvil lanes, just installed a few years ago. We put down the 2026 43-foot PBA regional pattern as I was preparing for a tournament in the Northwest region in Coeur d'Alene. This pattern has a decent amount of friction out, and we had already bowled on them for about 2 to 3 games, attempting to burn up a spot around 8, 9, 10 in the front. So the Monsoon might be a good fit to blend out the pattern as the hook is starting to get a little more defined. For my review, I will throw it 3 different ways: my normal release, medium rev rate, and normal speed. Then I'll move right and throw it straighter with a lower rev rate and a little more ball speed. And then finally I'll move left with a little slower ball speed and trying to open up the lane and get steeper with my angles as much as the pattern will allow. And then I'll throw one final shot back normal.
Interesting. Flare lines are pretty tight, which is what you would kind of expect. Symmetrical. Not a lot of, it's a pretty small core.
If you are looking for a medium control symmetrical piece at the bottom of your middle bag or top of your low bag, you should consider the Monsoon. And it's a great value for the price, and it has surprising hook for a low end ball. Hope you enjoyed watching, and remember, bowl up a storm.